Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change your username in the Habitica application. So let us guide you through it. Launch the Habitica application on your iOS or Android, and here on your home screen tap into these three horizontal lines in the top left corner to access this menu here. What you want to do after that is tap into that gear icon next to your username here at the top. So let me do that, and after that head over to your account settings here under My Account. And last but not least, here under account info, tap into your username and tap into that field below to enter your new username or to rename it, and confirm that by tapping on change username at the bottom. As you can see guys, usernames, according to this information here, can't contain or feature more than 20 characters, and they must have a minimum of 1 character, of course, and only letters A to Z, numbers 0 to 9, and hyphens or underscores, and no special characters or signs. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.